What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. You need the official WhatsApp to log in, and if you are using the official WhatsApp and still getting this issue, I want to tell you how to fix it in this video. First things first, do know that this fix is for rooted Android devices and it won't work if your device is not rooted. So I sent WhatsApp an email and they sent this telling me custom ROM and rooted phones aren't supported by WhatsApp. Learn more in this article. Okay, these are the fix. These are what you are going to do in this video. These are going to fix this issue. Flash the expose module. Also play integrity fix. I'm going to link all the files in the description below. And then reboot. Install bootloader spoofer APK. Open from the notification bar and click on expose notification. Go to the module section and enable bootloader spoofer module and then select WhatsApp. That's all you need to do. You can install key attestation to check if the fix is working correctly. I'm going to show the process in this video. Watch and follow carefully to know how you're going to fix this issue. As you can see right here, after doing the steps correctly, WhatsApp is working perfectly fine. I have already received my OTP message for me to log in and proceeding to restore my backups. Anyway, that's how you fix this annoying issue with WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.